Hi guys, happy Easter. Okay, our project for this week is going to be a drawing. Now it can be on paper, where you do what we're about to do on maybe the sidewalk, if you can get your parents' permission. Also, did you know that sidewalk chalk works on wooden fences? That could also be another option for you. Again, get permission. Okay, so Easter. We just started Easter. It lasts 50 days until Pentecost. So what we're going to do is going to be a drawing challenge to you. I'm going to start you off with the first part, but it's going to be up to you to finish it. Okay, so all you need is some paper and something to draw with. Unless you want to do it outside, then you are more than welcome to do it outside, and I would love to see a picture of what it looks like if you do it outside, please. Or even if you're doing the drawing. Okay, so I'm going to tilt the camera down, and we're going to look at some of the supplies that I'm going to be using. Alright, so I've got paper, and I'm going to use some yellow paper. You could use whatever color you want. The darker the colors, it may not come out as well. Okay, so here's my paper. I'm going to choose a color. I think I'm going to go with green. And here's the first part. So if you've been paying attention in your religion classes, they should have already gone over what one of the symbols is of Easter. Okay, so one of the symbols is an egg, because it's a symbol for life. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw some medium-sized hills all the way across your paper. Think 3 big ones. If you got 4, that's fine. We just want some medium-sized hills across. Once we do that, I'm going to come back and in between draw 2 more hills to kind of connect them. Okay, so it should look something like that. Okay, now to finish it off, I'm going to come back and I'm going to do one here, I'm going to do one here, and then I'm going to do one over here. Okay, and that's it. I'm going to leave the rest of that blank. Okay, so since it's an egg, our first thought should be an Easter egg. So I'm going to make this egg in the middle an Easter egg. I'm going to give it a design. Let's come out. I'm going to add some dots. Okay, so here is your challenge. Challenge number 1. Think of how many different designs of Easter eggs that you can have. Okay, none of them can be the same, so different ones. Next challenge, if you want to try, is not just Easter eggs, but what could these basically hills be also besides Easter eggs, but still be some kind of symbol for Easter. Okay, I'm going to use this one right here. Another symbol for Easter that we see all the time is, let's see if you can guess. I'm going to start out with a triangle, 2 triangles, right? I'm going to do 2 oval eyes, and then the little hill inside. So we have the colored part of the eye. If you haven't guessed what it is yet, I bet you're close. We're going to turn him into a chick, right? Chicks are a symbol for Easter, of springtime, of renewal, of life. Okay, so I've turned one of my hills into a chick. Now let's see what else, because we're going to use this one out here too, is another symbol that we see all the time for Easter. I think this one over here could maybe be, you think you know what it is yet? Starting out? Well, I'm going to do 2 eyes just like the chick, with an oval and then the colored part in the center. So I have the beginnings of a face, but what kind of face? If we add whiskers, that could very easily be several different things, right? We got cat, because of this right here, rabbits, bunnies, which that's what we're going to turn this into. So I'm going to give them 2 teeth, right? Rectangle, line down the middle. Now come the ears, bunny ears. They're going to be straight on top. And bunny ears or rabbit ears are long, so I'm going to make his fairly long, nice and wide. I'm going to give him a little tuft of hair. Okay, so here is your challenge. See how many things you can turn these hills into, whether they be chicks or rabbits or Easter eggs combination, or maybe you can think of something that I haven't thought of yet. Okay? You guys be sure to show me if you want to share what y'all are up to. I'd love to see some of your drawings and your ideas and what you were able to come up with. Again, you don't have to do it on paper. You can always take it outside onto the sidewalk or on a fence. Sidewalk chalk works great on a fence. Okay, but remember, get your parents' permission first. I hope all of you guys are doing well, and I hope to see you soon. Have a great first week of Easter, and y'all be safe. Bye.